Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to exit the split screen on iPad mini 7th generation. So let's actually quickly open the split screen in order to find out how to close it as well. So once you have two windows opened at the same time, there are multiple ways to get rid of the split screen. The first method is by, for instance, dragging all the way to one side or the other one of the apps. This is of course one way to do this. Another way is by simply tapping on these three dots at the top of the app, it doesn't matter which one, and then you can for instance choose to either use the selected app in the full screen or simply close the app in order to use just one. Another way to close the split screen is by, for instance, going to the background apps. So if you open the list of apps, then of course you can swipe one or the other app up in order to close one of them so that the other one will extend and use the full screen. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!